So my Kenmore Elite front loader washer just started giving me an issue. I keep on filling water here and it does not stop. And then the code on here show CLLSRU, but actually I think it's a SRV, which means call service. I found out. So I have to go into it to find out what other code is giving me. You have to turn this on and then turn this to any cycle and then hold this down for 6 seconds, I think, both power and play. And it showed me E35. I later found out E35 is water inlet valve. And I think that's go bad, and it's locate back here. So I have to take this lid off. The inlet valve is right here where the water is. I think it's bad. So I need to replace that, and let's see if that really is the problem. Yeah, it keep on feeling, so I have to unplug and shut off the water. Anyway, I have to order the part, and I'm hoping that's gonna fix the issue. So here I'm gonna unplug it. Before you do any service, unplug it. I'm gonna pull this out and remove this panel so I can get to the water inlet valve. To get this lid out, I think it's just 2 screws, 1 and 2. Oops, it's in there. All right, I gotta put this down. I need 2 hands, folks. Just be sure you unplug this. I think it's only 3 screw, 1, 2, and 3 right here. That's 1. So to get to that, I have to take the whole back panel out. I already take this piece off right here. I want to go ahead and replace that too. That one's really easy, but to replace this piece, you have to tear it down, whole thing. Disconnect your hose, take this part out. Bunch of screws along here, all the way down. And then this thing popped out to get into that. Just remember, take a picture. Take those pictures. That's the old one, here's a new one. So, should match it up. So just got a couple of screws here. Down there. Then put in a new one. Easy enough. Here, when I replace that, I want to go ahead and replace this piece too. So this is the water dispenser valve, and that's the pressure switch. They recommend to replace both. So I think this one's bad. Might as well replace that. Okay. $100, I think. $50. 56. Okay. And then so this go into direct order. Just put his tap up right here, just pry it up and pull back. Gotta work it out slowly. There's a gasket in here. The nipples right there, the black stuff, don't lose that. That go back to the new part. All right, I got all the screw back on. Now just go put this back in order. All right, that's it. Now put this back panel back up. Then we're gonna test it out. Got this back up. Now, need to put all the screw back up here, all the way around. Just like when you take it out. All right, got all that in. Tie these up. You got the point. Time to put this back. This thing is heavy, so you need 2 hands to set it down here. Got it. Now put 4 screw in there and just set. Should be good to go. Okay, all 4 screws are in. Connect my hose back, double check. Everything looks good. This one is in, all right. All right, let me do a test run. The moment of truth here. Let's see, let me do a... Okay. Got everything hooked up. Let's do a test run, see if it's gonna... See if it's gonna work. Let's do a quick cycle, rinse and spin, see what happened here. Okay. Okay, that worked. Come on, baby. Rinse and spin. That should stop. Just keep on going. Let's see. Usually that water keep running up there, but it stopped, so it's draining right now. All right, I think we got it fixed, baby.